Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Vamos, ahí está, dale. Los niños, los niños. Bueno, eso es lo que está pasando. Vamos, estamos en vivo. Ahí nomás. Ahí nomás, esperemos, porque si alguien necesita ayuda, lo ayudamos.
Señor,
mira, el confeti. Dale. Se salió. Vámonos. No, espera.
Vamos, por favor.
Ya se está moviendo eso, ¿ven? Dale.
Guatemala volcano Fuego pumped ash and lava across a highway on Sunday after the volcano violently erupted, killing at least 25 people. Guatemala volcano Fuego forced thousands of residents to evacuate, with the country's disaster agency warning millions of people would be impacted. Up to 300 people were injured by the volcano eruption and up to 25 people have been killed. In the footage, ash from the Fuego volcano engulfs National Route 14 as residents scream while they flee the area. An enormous ash cloud fills the skyline as Fuego erupted, situated just 25 miles from the nation's capital, Guatemala City. The nation's La Aurora International Airport shut down its only runway as black smoke and ash filled the sky and blanketed villages. The General Secretary of Guatemala's CONRED disaster agency, Sergio Cabanas, said, "It's a river of lava that overflowed its banks and affected the Rodeo village. There are injured, burned, and dead people." President Jimmy Morales has declared 3 days of national mourning after lava flows crashed into villages. The head of the National Disaster Prevention Authority, Sergio Cabanas, said, "People have been injured, burned, and killed. Evacuations and searches are underway. Officials have advised citizens to wear masks due to the falling ash. This is the second time the volcano has erupted this year. Ash has fallen into the nation's capital, Guatemala City, in addition to regions of Zacatepeques, Quetzaltenango, and Escuintla. Mario Cruz, a spokesman for the Volunteer Firefighter Corps, said 3,100 people had evacuated the area so far.